In a world where artificial intelligence is no longer a figment of science fiction, but a reality reshaping our lives, industries tremble at its relentless march. Few can deny the revolutionary impact AI has had and continues to have on our world. With the ability to learn, adapt, and execute tasks with superhuman efficiency, AI is a force to be reckoned with. Today, we delve into the top 5 industries most threatened by this technological titan. Coming in at number 5, we find the retail industry. A sector once dominated by human interaction is now seeing an uprising of AI. From automated checkouts to chatbots providing customer service, artificial intelligence is reshaping the retail landscape. It's not all doom and gloom, though. Retailers can harness AI to enhance customer experience, and employees can focus on more strategic, less mundane tasks. In the 4th position, we have the manufacturing industry. From assembly lines to quality control, AI-powered robots are taking over tasks traditionally performed by humans. The efficiency and precision they offer are unmatched. But remember, AI cannot replace the creativity and problem-solving skills of human beings. Thus, the industry must evolve, and workers need to adapt to roles that require these irreplaceable human skills. The 3rd industry on our list is the transportation sector. Self-driving cars and AI-managed traffic systems are no longer distant dreams. They are here, and they are transforming the way we move. However, this doesn't mean the end for human drivers. Instead, it opens up new opportunities for roles focused on managing and maintaining these AI systems. In the runner-up position, we have the financial services industry. With AI algorithms capable of predicting market trends and automating transactions, the traditional roles of financial analysts and brokers are under threat. But fear not, as the industry still needs human intuition and judgment, which AI lacks. By embracing AI, financial service professionals can focus on strategic planning and advisory roles where their human touch is most needed. And at the top of our list, the most threatened industry by AI is healthcare. From AI-powered diagnostic tools to robotic surgery, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the medical field. But this doesn't mean the demise of our trusted healthcare professionals. In fact, AI can free them from routine tasks, allowing them to focus more on patient care. Indeed, the rise of AI is a double-edged sword. While it threatens many industries, it also presents opportunities for growth and innovation. Instead of fearing AI, we must learn to work with it, adapt and reinvent our roles to stay relevant in this ever-changing landscape. Remember, while AI can mimic human intelligence, it cannot replicate human creativity, empathy, and intuition. These are the traits that make us uniquely human and irreplaceable. So embrace the change, adapt, and reinvent. The future is here, and it is exciting. If you would like more videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.